And here we are at the Salisbury Plains. Actually probably one of the UK's best four-wheel driving places, I guess. Looks awesome. Hey guys, Liam here from Primal Nomad, here with my good friend Rob. How are you doing?
Yeah, great man.
Good.
Looking forward to today.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. So we're actually doing something a little bit kind of bushcrafty. We're going to go have some outdoor fun in the four-wheel drive. So we're actually about to head off going to Salisbury Plains. It's going to be awesome. So yeah, looking forward to the journey. See you soon. So just checking the information about the Salisbury Plains training area for off-roading. Looking at the good practice guide. Rob's just calling up the helpline just to see what times they've got live firing today, because it is a military defence area. With a 2-inch lift kit, steel wheels, mud tyres and the custom Raptor lining paint job all installed, I was really excited to get out with a good friend and experiment and just test out some of the bits of kit. We were headed to the Salisbury Plains, one of the UK's finest 4x4 destinations, with loads of open tracks and areas to explore. Hey buddy, stop for a McDonald's, eh Rob?
Hi pal.
What kind of meal cheese? What do you get? Big tasty. Yeah buddy. So we're almost there, probably got about half an hour to 40 minutes of driving left. And then yeah, should be hitting the Greenlanes. Really looking forward to it. Obviously Rob is going off to New Zealand in about a month or so, so yeah, hell of a long time.
What is this Ah, rabbit food lettuce.
It felt really good to be back on the road, knowing that my 4x4 was working properly. All of the transfer case switches had been changed, meaning that four-wheel drive would work properly and disengage, which can be a common problem with water ingress into the switches. There was a considerable drive to get there, but it was time well spent with Rob, a good friend who's going to be heading to New Zealand very shortly. So we've got to our first green lane now. It's a public byway, open to all traffic, so that's the way we're going to go. There's no person living on the byway. This is what it's about, guys. Really excited to be out here today with the car, driving down some byways, and these are byways that have been open to the public for centuries over here. So really looking forward to exploring all of the places that Salisbury's got to offer. Excited, Rob?
Yep, I'm just stocking up on some snacks.
Good man. Yeah, me too. I'll yeah, probably have a little drink as well. Drinking Rio, obviously not beer today, guys, sorry. Onwards and upwards. So,
No flag.
no flag today, so it means we can drive.
So we're here,
Yeah.
just coming to the first byway, and we've got quite a lot to cover.
Oh, nice. This is unheard of for our area. Like,
Yeah.
around that area there'd be like one.
But we can't get around here.
No, because they've got a flag up for firing, right?
Yeah.
But we've got quite a long way to go. This is awesome. Doing some work there at the moment.
Yeah. Let's go. And here we are at the Salisbury Plains. Probably one of the UK's best four-wheel driving places, I guess. Looks awesome.
The Salisbury Plain is a chalk plateau in the south of England, and it covers about 300 square miles and hosts some of our famous archaeological sites such as Stonehenge. And it was a privilege to visit this for the first time, and it was a privilege to be driving around the area and just exploring. It's a totally different landscape to what I'm used to at home, so it was very welcome. And of course, what a better place to test out the suspension on all the uneven road surfaces.
Stop and have a look at that. Yeah, let's have a look.
The plains are still an active military training site and are littered with some of the old tanks that have become part of the landscape now. It was an awesome opportunity to stretch the legs and have a look around the wreckage, one of many that was left on the plains.
Primal store. So awesome to see tanks in the distance. I need the fender flares. You see how much must fly there. Yes, Ironman suspension.
Something flying in the sky. It's like some kind of alien.
I think it might just be mine.
It felt so good to get the truck dirty for the first time. After keeping it predominantly dry and clean since having the Raptor lining installed, it was good just to see dirt and water back on it, the way a 4x4 should look. And although we weren't doing extreme off-roading, going down ruts and getting covered in mud, it was still really nice to see the four-wheel drive pulling its weight and getting us through those wetter areas.
It's been an awesome adventure so far. The sun is just starting to set over there in the distance. All I can say is what a beautiful location if you're over here in the UK and you're in a four-wheel drive. Even if you don't, if you just want to come for a walk. I mean, look at that view. You couldn't really ask for more, could you? And then to be spending some time with Rob before he goes to New Zealand is just amazing. Good friend. Guys, look how awesome this mud splatter looks.
incline here.
Yeah, what's up, dudes?
Sunset's just gorgeous. So the sun is setting beautifully behind us. You can see it there in the mirror. The car looks absolutely gorgeous in that reflection. Don't mind if I do say. So what have you found, Rob?
We've just come to a crossroads, so we've sort of found this little hill right here. We're just going to try and head through this little valley.
Oh, awesome.
See where it goes.
And that is over that way, yonder. See the ground up and down.
Descending towards the valley that we'd spotted and wanted to explore, we were led to a gravel kind of road. It was fairly undulating and gave me a good opportunity to test just a small bit of the flex on the new suspension kit. As we progressed down the hill, there were some really steep crevices that the camera just couldn't pick up on, but they could have easily tipped the car.
Steep little crevice to the right. That's the car tipper. Nice lights coming in now, guys, so it's probably going to be the last little bit, I guess, of four-wheel driving. But I'm just going to go try and find this valley track. The bit that we just went through is really treacherous, and it was just a bit too quick, all happened too quick to get the camera out, really. Oh my word, there's like 4x4 heaven that we just got. That's amazing.
Still run off of that.
Oh my word.
Although the area that we just spotted was not open to the public, there were still a few four-wheel drives going down. Whether they had permits or not, we weren't sure, but we weren't going to risk it. We'd found plenty of byways to explore, and the light was dropping in, so it was about time to start wrapping things up.
Gonna go scout ahead because you don't know where this track goes. The track is looking absolutely filthy, but beautiful nevertheless. So nice to be out here with Rob and the truck and spend some nice time together. Just taking a little walk down this track. Got the Navara behind me. I'm just going to see exactly what it's like. You can see it's a bit of a steep incline up here. Goes on through this wood, so we're going to give this a little go. Sticky bracket fungus. Light's really starting to come in now. Take a little walk back up to the car. Sweet, the light is seriously coming in now, so we're going to head off out of the Salisbury Plains now. It's been a wonderful day. Shame we're kind of not camping out, but next time we'll definitely probably, what do you reckon, bring some camping gear and have a little look. Somewhere to camp, set up for the night, and carry on the journey. So yeah, we'll just have a little bit of the journey home now, and we'll see you soon. always bumpy.
It had been a great day at the Salisbury Plains, but it was about time to clean the truck. Again, the first time this has happened since the Raptor line, so I was keen to get to a local garage where they have car wash facilities and get all of that mud off of the paintwork and the chassis underneath. With the truck clean and a day well spent, it was a good chance for me to reflect on all the purchases I'd done for my truck, like the Ironman suspension, which really was a massive improvement from the stock suspension. The tyres and wheels held up really well, as did the Raptor lining, and all of the other little modifications that I added but haven't mentioned, like the Team Hecko wind deflectors for my windows. With all that being said, I hope this inspires some of you guys to go down to the Salisbury Plains or do a few modifications to your trucks. And until next time, stay safe and I'll see you soon.